we have Bootstrap, we have dist, we have CSS, bootstrap.css. So this is the path for our Bootstrap. This is the path for Bootstrap, configuring the Bootstrap. Now we need to go to our app component. We need to get into this app component. Here, the app component will be in the startup. So that means here we are defining a div, and let's add a class container. And into this, I'm adding just a header, so like MS or say Flipkart shopping. This is how we define. And a div yesterday, like just we designed as a class as a BTN toolbar, and we have like some BG, so some BG danger. Okay, and here we have a class as BTN group, and here we BTN group, and here we need some links to configure here. So one is for home, another is for electronics, and another is for footwear. That's what we need to define in the toolbar. And actually this can be inside the head section. So this can be inside the head section, right? So that component can be inside the head section. So just here we are configuring there, and just below that toolbar, I'm adding another div. So this is where we need to display. So that is here I'll just give as a style as margin top and some 50 pixel. Okay. Now that is the design for our, so you can see that is the design for our. And here, home electronics footwear, I need to give an appearance as a button here. Then we will put a class as BTN and BTN danger. Okay, so here also we have a class as BTN and BTN danger. And here we are configuring the class BTN and BTN danger. Okay. And important is these are used as router links now. That means what we have to do is we have to use router link. Router link is equal to, it should use home. And this is a router link, and it should use electronics. You have to use the route paths here. So we are configuring a router link, and this is footwear. And you can see that, so that will be an appearance in this way, home, electronics, and footwear. And now below this, here we have the div. And this is the div style margin top. And we have some height as suppose some 300 pixel. So some 350 pixel. And below that, we have, this is like, so footer. So class as BG danger. Okay. And here text center. Okay. Text center. These are the classes we defined. And here I just added ampersand copy, some copyright 20. And in between, this is where we want to display the content. Then we have to use an router outlet here. We have to configure the router outlet here. Router outlet, yesterday I showed you that is the location where your information will be rendered. And you can see that currently by default, it is coming with home page. I click on electronics at the top, then electronics will come. I click on footwear, then footwear will come. And home, then home will come. That means you can switch between that components and put here. Currently, we don't have any information inside it. We can put some content inside it. Electronics component is here. Footwear component is here. And home component is here. We can switch between the components. Not only that, in the URL, you can see that here in the URL, I am requesting footwear, enter. Then it has to get that footwear and show. So, but when you requesting from URL, it will load the page actually. So now when you are clicking on this without reloading the page, the new details will come onto the page. There is no refresh happening here. The new details are coming. And one more option is when you request anything which is not available. Suppose I am requesting for fashion. There is no fashion available. There is no fashion available. And yeah, I'm requesting fashion. So there is no fashion available. Hit enter. Then obviously it will get us page not found. It will get us page not found. We haven't kept any message there. We can keep proper messages in them and we can display that page not found. So it will get that and display. So that means this is home, electronics and footwear. We are accessing them and it is directly handling the data with just link click without posting the page every time. That's what actually Ajax calls it is using in the background. Now this is the basic of how do we create the route, configure the route and handle the routes. Here we have some important things to discuss. That is route parameters, route navigations, the redirections, how the route redirections work, how the route parameters work. This is the basic thing we need to understand here. Child routes configuring that we will see in next session, how to handle them, right? And what we do is we will conduct session tomorrow. So tomorrow we will have session. Tomorrow we will have session for a little long time so that we can finish this routing concept by tomorrow, right? So I will give some examples on that also. So tomorrow at 8 o'clock we will start the session. Tomorrow at 8 o'clock we will start the session, right? I hope everyone is okay with that, no issues, right? Tomorrow 8 o'clock we will start, and once we finish the routing concept, then we can discuss about end-to-end integration here. Right? So tomorrow we will have a session, and by tomorrow we will finish this routing related concept. Tomorrow at 8 a.m. we will start our session, right? Hope this example I will upload, right? We can get into it, right? Okay. Then tomorrow we'll continue with this. This I will upload now. You can get it from the Git. And tomorrow 8, we will start the session. And we will finish this routing related concepts by tomorrow, right? Yeah, I'm uploading this complete example of routing. Tomorrow we can do some modifications into that and add some more facilities, right? Yeah.